Hello, my name is Tom Hetzig and I'm currently doing my PhD at the Institute for Physical Metallurgy and Material Science at the FATH Aachen University. Inside the TR 188, I'm working on a transfer project T02, which is the application of artificial intelligence inside the scanning electron microscope for accelerated high-resolution in-situ testing with the application partner Tescan. Here you can see our electron microscope, which is the Clara by Tescan. One of our scripts that uses the exposed Python API provided by the microscope, and one of our in-situ deformation stages.
Here I want to give you a short motivation. Traditional approaches for the classification of damage sites were limited due to the extensive amount of required manual evaluation. The starting point of this project is a successful combination of high-resolution scanning electron microscopy, large area imaging, and analysis of the resulting image data with respect to the observed physical mechanisms by artificial intelligence. Based on this, the aim of this transfer project is to exploit the potential of this method further and make it available to the TR 188 and the scientific community by achieving integration into accessible experimental setups, by implementing accelerated in-situ deformation experiments based on initial imaging and subsequent fast tracking of many evolving damage sites, by applying the concepts of super-resolution in artificial intelligence for fast re-imaging of large areas, and direct collaboration with a microscope manufacturer to achieve reliable and comfortable integration of the accelerated in-situ experiments.